To add the custom Liquid section in Shopify, follow these steps to customize your theme and add new functionality to your store. Access your theme code. Log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, Themes. Find the theme you want to customize and click Actions, Edit Code. Create a new section. In the left-hand sidebar, under the Sections folder, click Add a new section. Name your new section file and click Create Section. Add custom Liquid code. Inside a newly created Liquid file, you can add custom code. Use Liquid to display dynamic content like product information, collections, etc. You can also add HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to enhance functionality. Insert the section into your theme. After saving your changes, navigate to your theme.liquid or specific template file where you want the section to appear. Use the following tag to render your new section in the desired location. Customize the section with the theme editor. In the theme editor, you can now add and customize a new section by adjusting settings, content, and styles based on the Liquid code you've written.